Hey guys, what's up? So, here with the rear end again. So I pretty much am never gonna get my money back on this build. I'm investing way too much, so I figure, what the hell, let's do even more. So I got this. This is to convert this rear end to Posi traction, rather than an open rear end, open differential, which it is right now. We're also going to switch out the gears. I have new gears. If anybody cares, they're 342s. Pretty good for a muscle car build. Whatever. First step, we're going to take out the old gears, clean everything up, and then start doing this. Doesn't look that hard. It's very precise. Things have to be placed the exact right way. If I screw it up, I figure it'll just eat the gears, and then I put the old gears back in. Whatever. Just kidding. I'll do my best, and let's do this. Now let's get some crap off. Nice. Ooh, that came right out. Jeez. Whoa. Ooh. Yep. 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 I think I'm gonna try and make sure I know where all these went back into, because that would not be good. So that is left. That is right. Okay. Now, apparently there are usually shims on each of these sides here that you're supposed to take note of, keep track of, because that's what handles this, and that's one of the adjustments you got to make. So let's see if there's any in there. Oh yeah, it comes right out. Right. Ridiculous. Yeah, they said it just falls right out into your hands. Sure. When has that ever worked for me? There's a lot of grime in here. Very good thing I'm doing this. I mean, it looks okay, but who knows? Alright. Back with a persuader. when this thing comes out, it's absolutely gonna fall right on top of me. It is coming slowly. By the way, these things are heavier than they look. I got it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Oh, I didn't kill myself. Alright, I have the races on both sides. 0 shims? Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay. No shims. Okay. Let's put this on the ground. It's freaking heavy. Jesus Christ. Now I got sweat in my eyes. Sweet. That helps. I wonder what gears are in this thing. Apparently you're supposed to count the number of gears on this, count the number of gears on that, and then divide the two or some crap like that. Let's see. Enough in the time. 1, 2, 3, 41. 41. 41 divided by 16 is 2.56. Those are highway kind of gears. So we're going to have quite a difference with the 342s. Alright. So, next step is to get out the pinion here. And that we have to go to the other side. Alright. Now we got to get the yoke off. Happens to be the biggest socket I have, 1.25 inches. Yep. Okay. So, I'm glad I got this. So this is a universal kind of thing that goes on there to help hold it in place. So, let me go grab a couple of bolts to put this on. Looks like, will they line up? Maybe. Ish. Yeah, that looks close. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. I got this handy dandy little holder thing here, which I believe that goes right into. It worked. Okay, so this is the Posi unit, and on each side, top and bottom or left and right, when it's in there, one of these bearings has to go on, and they're usually pressed on, but I'm lazy. I don't like using the press. So what I'm doing is, that toaster oven has been set at 400 for about 20 minutes, and the bearings are in there. So what I'm going to do, hopefully, is the bearing's going to come out of there because of the heat it expanded, and it's going to pop right on here. But at least that's the theory. Let's see how it works. It didn't work. They went on like halfway, so now I'm gonna have to go to the press and press them on the rest of the way, which sucks. I did this on the axles. You didn't see me. I did it off camera, and it worked great. But that's all right. At least they're started, and then I'll make it easier on the press so I don't have to worry about them, going on crooked or anything like that. All right, let's go do that. Okay, here it is set up on the press. The upper one I already did, and you can kind of see it pushed all the way to the bottom. The lower one needs to be pushed on the rest of the way. So, if you look, you don't want to be pushing on the actual bearing itself. You want to push on the metal part that is part of the Posi unit. Alright? So, we will oh, that's always good. Don't mind that. Alright. You can see it pushing, 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 and we're down all the way. See? Alright. So, we're good now. I guess that wasn't too hard. I should have just done that in the beginning. Oh well, fun to try. Okay, the next step is to take out the races that we're holding in the bearings. So if you look, there's one all the way back there, and you'll see me hitting on that side and this side, and then I'll come from the other side and get this one out that's right here. That's one. It's out. Okay. Mess, sweaty, dirty, but I'm good. So that's the teardown. Everything's out. Probably gonna clean it up, get it ready to put the new one in. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna do that another day. I don't know if it'll be in the same video. Probably it will. So that's it for today. We'll tackle the actual install when I'm fresh, because there's a lot of fine-tuning, a lot of preciseness, so I don't want to do that when I'm tired, but at least it came apart. I mean, there was some tough parts, but it wasn't too bad. Glad I'm doing this, because it's really cool. I always thought this was something you couldn't do yourself. You had to have someone else rebuild your rear end, but so far it's not that bad. Just take it step by step. Anyway, I need something to drink.